Now we come to the second category. The second category is communication, advocacy, and development. And let's have the video, please. And to give away the award, I'm going to ask Dilip Chenoy to please come up on stage. Dilip, are you here in the audience? Please come up. Dilip is ex-managing director of the NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, and it's very appropriate that he gives away this year award. And while he comes up, let's have the video, please, the video of the winners in this category.
ANN is a child protection organization that promotes safe communities for children with a focus on children in dangerous or difficult situations or environments. Act Now, initiated by ANN Trust, is a movement to make child protection everybody's business, to encourage and build neighborhoods where everybody is looking out for, taking action to keep children safe. It aims to raise awareness on child protection issues in India and build confidence in the general public to get involved and take action when they see a child in distress. Childline India Foundation's I Pledge for Child Rights is a unique social media pledge and awareness campaign that created a buzz around child rights and child protection across various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, besides the Childline website. The campaign, carried out from March 20 to April 1st, 2015, encouraged users and followers to actively participate in quizzes and pledge apps to spread the word on child rights, child protection and other Childline services. So far, the campaign has resulted in more than 1.58 lakh engagements and reached out to 1.4 million during the period. Aghazi Dosti is a joint Indo-Pak friendship initiative of the Catalyst in Pakistan and India-based mission Bhartiya. It aims to create unwavering bonds of peace, friendship and conflict resolutions between India and Pakistan by facilitating people-to-people contact, challenging mutual hatred and suspicion, and creating a culture of peace and understanding. It uses social media as a bridge of knowledge to enhance people-to-people communication and to advocate for Indo-Pak peace and friendship. Gunj works towards turning underutilized resources from cities into a tool to bring ignored issues to light, talk about basic needs and to convert them into resources for rural development. Gunj's work is around turning the age-old tradition of giving old material as charity into regular and dignified giving. What started with 67 clothes now deals with over 2,000 ton of material every year with a core value of collaboration.
For the category of communication and advocacy. By the way, you can read all about them in this book. This is the winner's book, which you can get on the way out. It's now available on the registration desk. Please, each of you get a copy of this. It's got information on each of the winners and the finalists in these categories. So let me ask the three winners to come up on stage. Angan Trust, will you please come up on stage? And let me also ask Childline India to get ready to come up, as well as the Catalyst and Gunj. Please get ready to come up. But first we begin with Angan Trust. Round of applause for a second winner of the day. This is Angan Trust, Communications, Advocacy and Development Activism. And a word of
protection.
Protection. Remember protection. Childline India Foundation is here. Yes. Round of applause, please, for Childline India Foundation.
Wow.
That's somewhat easy, but you can't repeat it, okay? No one else can repeat what he just said. The Catalyst, do we have the Catalyst? Catalyst from, oh, fantastic. From Pakistan, the Catalyst, please. A round of applause for winners from Communication, Advocacy and Development Activism. Big round of applause to our friends across the border. And what would you like to say? Well, we can give you 2 words if you want.
Okay. Empowered and heard.
Fantastic, thanks so much. Gunj, do we have Gunj India? Gunj, yes, please come up. Special mention goes to Gunj. Big round of applause, please, for Gunj India, Communication, Advocacy and Development. And what would you like to say?
Dignity?
Fantastic, dignity. Okay, and would you like to say a few words of advice, appreciation? Group photo, yeah. Will everyone come here for a group photo as well? All please come back, yeah. Come on either side of our special guest, yes. And Dilip, a few words from you.
So I think it's my third straight DF Awards. I always commit to spend this day here for 3 reasons. One, it's a tremendous learning experience. Second, and I have always picked this bone with Osama, I believe this is a revolution in the making. And the number of social entrepreneurs and other entrepreneurs, as all of them on the stage and all of you in the audience, will far outnumber the traditional entrepreneurs in the other sector. And I believe if this is nurtured well, like Mr. N.K. Singh said, this has got the potential to add a percentage to GDP growth as we go forward. And India could be a leader in this space because of the efforts of all of you in this room. So congratulations to the winners and for everyone that participated. Thank you very much.